Oh, hello everyone. This is Priyasha from CAT, turning problems into solutions. So let's get started with today's video where I'll be announcing a really awaited thing for all of you. Yes, we are up with a CAT-XAT Blitz Brigade. Yes, that's the name of the crash course which you people are looking for. Of course, if it's on my channel, it is ought to be free. So we are here now going to have a free crash course for all the CAT and the XAT aspirants. But what is more important is that the features of this, how it will be conducted and how is it going to be useful to you. And मैं ऐसे कौन से questions आपको करा दूंगी which will really help you get your concepts better. So that is why I've kept my laptop here, okay, so that I don't miss out on any point as such. So this crash course is designed in such a way that you can get the concepts cleared one question at a time. Yes, you heard me right. So basically the questions which I have brought in this crash course are the ones which I used to practice during my preparation, and मैंने उन questions को ना tick करके रखा था. That means I have just kept them aside because I found that those questions come with a learning in itself. So basically these questions are a lesson in its own, and therefore if we do these questions, we will not only clear our concepts, but we will also be in a position where if we also keep it for our revision, we can really get the revision faster, better, and more concepts getting clearer. So those questions will be added up to your crash course. Now, how and when is that going to be conducted? So for that, what we are going to do, or what I'm planning to do, is that I also tried that I would come live and conduct classes at a particular time, but it's not feasible for both you and me. So I thought, let's drop some videos accordingly. So what I'll be doing is, I'll be fixing it for you people. Let's have a Monday maths. That means quant videos would be coming on Monday. On Wednesday, we'll have the verbal ability videos and the RC videos. And on Friday, Friday की पार्टी थोड़ी खराब करने के लिए DILR मैंने Friday को रख दिया है. So let's practice the DILR on Friday, and remember the XAT specific aspirants, make sure that आप DILR में भी उतना ही ध्यान दो जितना आप दूसरे sections में दे रहे हो, because XAT also equally pays attention to the logical reasoning part, and उनकी logical reasoning तो verbal ability तक में भी आती है, not just in the quant part. So with this, I have one very important announcement to make with with respect to our crash course, that the crash course has some special features. Now, what are those features? Let us deep dive into it. So the very first feature is the concepts being unveiled. That means मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ, आपको हर एक क्वेश्चन में उसको करने का तरीका बताऊंगी और उसके साथ रिलेटेड कॉन्सेप्ट समझाऊंगी. And since I will be doing, let's say, a Monday video on quants, then I would expect you to dedicate the Tuesday entirely to those similar kind of questions. Doing it that way would help you to master that particular topic in a very limited time frame. और क्योंकि हमारे पास टाइम काफी कम है, so we'll follow it that way. The second feature is that we are going to have a completely real exam focus. That means we will be mimicking the exact questions or very similar questions which actually come in CAT and XAT, so that you are at a right pace and doing the questions which actually matters. The third feature which I have got for you is the strategic revision. That seems out to be an important area because, before the examination, we all are in a panic mode. So therefore, if we know exactly what questions to have a quick look upon, would really help you. तो इस process में मैं आपको उन सारे questions की भी एक list बनाकर दे दूंगी, which will really be helpful for your revision process. The next one is the interactive learning. Now, when it comes to interactive learning, you would say, ma'am, how are we supposed to interactively learn when we are not having live sessions? Well, that's the CAT-XAT discussion group which we have on Telegram. Now, I'll tell you how I used to prepare. मैं हर दिन अपने कैलेंडर में 35 to 45 minutes block कर देती थी for these discussion groups. So I was also a part of a Telegram group where I used to post my doubts and also solve the doubts of others. Now, I'll tell you quick 3 benefits of doing this thing. Number one is that you would get to know the sources from where other people are practicing from. So maybe if you're not aware of it and you find it nice, you can also get that. The second reason is, of course, your doubts are also getting solved in this process. So being a part of the discussion group always helps. You also get notified about anything important immediately in the group. And the third and the most important thing is that you can, in the process of solving the questions for others, you will somewhere or the other come across a solution which is faster and better than you. अब इस process में क्या होगा, there will be lots of learning and you will get an opportunity where you can improve your solution and do the questions in lesser amount of time. तो इसीलिए ग्रुप्स का पार्ट रहना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट टाइम बेस्ड होना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप वहां किसी पॉलिटिकल डिबेट में चले गए. So that's why time frame is really important. One more feature which I'm going to add up to it is that we will be following a consistent schedule, so that will help you prep up and stay ahead of the game. So make sure that you follow it nicely. If you haven't followed me on Instagram or haven't joined my Telegram group, then make sure you do that, guys, because वहां पर मैं आपको exactly दो बहुत important चीजें बताने वाली हूँ. First, important PDF share करने वाली हूँ on Telegram. And on Instagram, I'll be informing about when I'll be coming live next, so that I'll definitely try that I'll come live once in a week or once in 2 weeks, so that I can, discuss your doubts, discuss how your preparation is going on, what problems are you facing, in which topics, what are the tips which I can provide you live, and things like that. So I'll be coming live also, but all the notifications will be up there on Instagram and on Telegram. So make sure you follow me in both the places there. और Instagram में तो बहुत सारे important चीजेस भी आते हैं, जैसे कि आपके current affairs हो गए and verbal ability tips and many more things like that. So make sure you follow me on both the platforms. And lastly, the most important thing, that this crash course is absolutely free, guys. So make sure that you enroll into this Blitz Brigade and get your party started, because exam बहुत करीब है and कोई अगर साथ हो तो ज़्यादा easy पड़ता है आपकी journey. So I am there with you always, so don't worry about that. What you just need to do is, if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll get to know about that. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, then please do follow me. Also join my Telegram group, because वहाँ पर मैं आपको सारा schedule weekly share करती रहूँगी, and I'll also be taking up your doubts and questions in those DMs only. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. And last but not the least, don't let CAT and XAT questions intimidate you any longer. And what you just need to do is join our Blitz batch, and that would be absolutely free. You have to just subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon so that you get notified of all the videos, and follow these things religiously. That's all. The only request I have for you is stay healthy, stay motivated, and please study hard. ये कुछ महीने आपकी लाइफ के आपकी पूरी जिंदगी बदलने वाले हैं. So make sure you put in your full efforts into it. And if you have any questions or doubts, please use the comment section or DM me on Instagram. I'll be putting up all the important links over there. And इसके अलावा आपको कोई भी videos चाहिए, so make sure you use the QRS, that is a quick revision sheet of CAT-XAT. There's the I button, मैंने वहाँ पे भी डाल दिया है, and there's right below in this description box also. आप वहाँ से भी उसे ले सकते हो. All the videos are sorted over there, so आपको खोजने में कोई problem नहीं होगी. Hope you like this video, guys. Hit that like button for sure, please. And do subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. And a sincere request to all of you, please share this video with more and more people, so that they get to know about this free batch. See you in the next video, guys. Take care. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.